Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a critical yet often under-prioritized topic, cybersecurity in manufacturing. We will explore how to bridge IT and OT securely and efficiently and look at real-world use cases including SAP, Ignition and Kepware. Manufacturing is undergoing a rapid transformation with Industry 4.0 and smart factory initiatives. We are integrating digital technologies deeper into operational environment. But this progress also introduces cyber risks that can bring operation to a standstill or worse, or cause physical harm. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT concern, it's a business imperative for manufacturing resilience. We have seen targeted ransomware attacks against industrial control systems, legacy SCADA environments with no authentication, and supply chain compromises. These threats aren't theoretical, they have caused real world shutdowns. Regulatory frameworks like NIST and IEC 62443 are pushing companies to get serious about their security OT landscape. How much they will succeed, we don't know. One of the biggest challenges is that IT and OT, like information technology and operation technology, operate on fundamentally different principles. IT prioritizes data confidentiality while OT focuses on uptime and safety. And on the screen, you can also have a look of the key points difference. Like in IT focus, confidentiality is a priority, it's software and data centered, it's agile and cloud based, and there are frequent updates. While in OT, the priority is availability and safety. Physical process controls are there. There are many legacy and real-time systems which we just cannot turn it off that hey, this is old, we don't need it. We can't do that simply. And extended life cycles of them, of course. So let's talk about where to start. First, governance. Establishing a unified policy framework that spans IT and OT, such as NIST Cybersecurity Framework or ISA 62443, sets the tone. Next, network segmentation. We need strong boundaries between enterprise network and control system using firewall, VLANs, and strict access controls or special use networks. Then we also need full visibility. That means asset discovery across both IT and OT, because you can't secure if you don't know what your assets are. Then comes real-time monitoring, OT-aware intrusion detection, and log integration with a SIM system can help detect threats early. And finally, system hardening and patch management, especially in OT, must be done carefully with risk-based prioritization. Now, remote access is another big concern. It should always involve multi-factor authentication, session monitoring, and strict user roles, but tools alone aren't enough. Cybersecurity culture matters. We need to train both IT and OT teams in a language they understand and foster trust between the two disciplines. Let's look at a practical example. Many plant uses SAP for inventory and production scheduling. With Kepware, we can connect SAP MII or PCO to real-time PLC data. But we must secure that pipeline with TLS encryption for OPC UA, role-based access to tags, and continuous monitoring of communication flows. Another use case involves Ignition SCADA. It's a powerful real-time dashboard and connecting tool for OT data to ERPs. Here again, we enforce security practices, TLS for MQTT, audit logs for user activities, and access control policies for engineering and operator rules. Security must be baked in, not bolted on. Kepware often serves as a data broker between control system and high-level application. It's convenient but also a potential attack surface. By using certificate-based OPC UA, isolating network with VLANs, and integrating logs into a central SIM, we can ensure data flows securely across layers. To wrap up, cybersecurity isn't a barrier to progress, it's a business enabler. When IT and OT teams align on risk, we can protect uptime, people, and profitability. Start with governance, implement visibility and control, and you will be positioned to embrace digital transformation securely. So thank you for your time today. If you would like to discuss how Cyberwsie Tech can help your organization with IT/OT cybersecurity or digital transformation, please feel free to reach out. Let's build secure, smart factories together.